Here we are going to see what is project. Basically, the project is an action to create some unique designs, and we need to elaborate the design of each project. It contains lots and lots of steps, and each step may have some incremental steps, and there is no any limitations for the insertions, steps, methodologies, protocols, algorithms, formula derivations. So we don't have any limitations for that. Depends on our design, depends on our requirements. We can insert whatever we need. So each project has its unique structure. Whenever we are starting the project, first we need to start with the initial steps. So whenever you are starting the project, so the initial steps contains always the zero value, and every parameters, every objects may have equal values. So it depends on the actions of the objects, then the values can change. So each time we need to revise the object actions, and we can include different computations for each object and each stage, and for we can include each methodologies to each part of the project. So finally, according to the insertion of all the metrics, we can create a protocol to enhance that particular design. And whenever we are creating some designs, we must to compare with the existing works. So then only we can prove than the prior works our design is somewhat good, and it providing some different and qualified parameter outputs. According to that, we can just go for the result validations. Whenever we are starting the projects, we have some paths. So it may be a student or it may be a research scholar. First, we need to study the available concepts, and according to the available concepts, we need to prepare the existing investigations as a survey. At which period that concept discussed. Such way, we need to prepare some survey, and after the survey completions, then we need to design the novel concept with new protocol steps. According to the design of the protocol and concept, we need to choose the proper parameters for each stage and each object. And once we decided all the concepts and steps and parameters, then we can create the algorithms inside the design. And if we want to insert some computational models or mathematical modeling or optimized methodologies, we can insert inside the design wherever we need in a proper way. So according to the design and insertions, we can prepare the tables and graphical results as an output of the particular research. And we need to validate the project, whether the project is going in a right track according to our concept and object. So by this way, we can create our own research through the projects. So it may be a student or it may be a research scholar. Each and everyone need to follow these steps to begin and complete the project in a successful way. Thank you.